Hi everyone, can you solve 2 and inside parentheses 1 plus 1 divided by 2 parentheses? Some people will start with 1 plus 1, which is 2. That was easy. Divided by 2 and then keep it in parentheses. Drop the 2. 2 divided by 2 is 1 and drop the 2, and 2 times 1 is 2. So the answer must be 2. Or they'll multiply 2 times 1, which is 2, plus 2 times 1, which is 2, divided by, and then 2 times 2 is 4. 2 plus 2 is 4. Drop the divided by 4. And 4 divided by 4 is 1. So the answer must be 1. Wrong. Both answers are wrong. Let me show you how to solve this correctly using PEMDAS. And PEMDAS is saying that division inside the parentheses has higher priority than addition. So let's do that. So 1 divided by 2 is, just write it as a fraction, 1 over 2. Next, drop the 1 plus, and let's turn this 1 into a fraction. 1 over 1 equals 1. And do the butterfly method. So multiply like this. So 1 times 2, and here's the butterfly wing. Not the butterfly wing, the butterfly antenna, but it's on the wing and the other antenna. So 1 times 2 is 2. 1 times 1 is 1. And then just add across. So 2 plus 1 is 3. And then the body gives you 1 times 2, which is 2. So now I have 3 over 2. Next, drop the 2 and write it here, and it's multiplication. So I'll write it in a fraction and just multiply across. 2 times 3 is 6 over 1 times 2 is 2, and 6 divided by 2 is 3. So the answer is 3. And there you go.